Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce us from LZO team. My name is Siska Octavia and my partner.
My name is Radigo Gabamungkas.
My name is Nur Hidayat.
My name is Jatka Rizky Ramadan.
Okay, we can introduction to loops and repetition in programming. Welcome to our exploration of loop and repetition. Well, discover how they work, their benefits, and how to master them. This journey will equip you with the power to automate tasks and optimize your program. Understanding loops and repetition. The core concept, loops are the building block of repetition in programming. They allow you to execute a block of code multiple times without writing the same code repeatedly. Why loops matter? Loops are essential for automating tests, iteration over collection of data, and creating dynamic and interactive application. Types of loop. The first one is for, while, and do while. For loops, use when you know the number of times you need to iterate. It's a great for the processing list or array. While loop, use when you want to repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. It's ideal for scenario where the loop's termination is dependent on a dynamic condition. The last one, do while loops. Similar to a while loop, but guarantee the code block execute at least once before checking the condition. Okay, the loop syntax and usage. The first one is syntax variation. The exact syntax for loop differs slightly between programming language, but the core principle remains the same. The second is iteration counter. In many loops, a counter variable keeps track of how many iterations have been complete. And the last one, conditional statement. Loops often use conditional statement if else to control the flow of execution based on specific condition. Case study, loops in action. The first one, printing number. A basic loop can print a sequence of number, demonstrating simple iteration. The second is calculating sum. A loop can add up a series of numbers, showcasing its ability to perform repetitive calculation. Nested loops. Loops within loops. The first one, outer loop. It is control the overall iteration, and inner loop execute multiple times for each iteration of the outer loop. And loop control, managing the flow. The first one, break statement, execute with loop prematurely regardless of the condition. The second, continue statement, skip the current iteration of the loop and process to the next one. The third, conditional statement, control the loop's execution based on certain condition, allowing for customized behavior. Problem solving with loops. The first one is data processing. Loops are essential. The processing are large dataset, performing operation on each data point efficiently. The second, pattern recognition. Loops can be used to identify patterns in data by comparing value and searching for specific sequence. The third and the last, game development. Loops are used in game development to update game logic, handle user input, and animate graphic. Okay, for the example, the first one is repetition with a for loop. The code is print menggunakan for loop for i in range 1 sama dengan 1,10, lalu print range 1 sampai 10 means number from 1 to 10. Okay, the output result is menggunakan for loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The example, repetition with a while loop. Print menggunakan while loop, i sama dengan 1, while i kurang sama dengan 10, print i. I plus sama dengan 1 is increment to avoid endless loops. For the output result is menggunakan while loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all we can say. Thank you. See you at the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.